So next step, I will try to put in a plate. I've started to cut. It will go in here. All this rusty part will go out. I do not have clearance, but I use then screws, one on each side. I will try to fix it. I need to bend the profile all the way in the bottom, and then there's opposite profile on the curve here. So this must come out, this must go in. Probably make a cut somewhere, bend it over, and see how it goes. No, we'll see. So we are getting closer. There is now the profile down. I've made a profile on the inside of the tube. Also try to make it kind of a cleat. Just need a bit of adaptation, especially on the corner over here. See that it's too wide. Let's go in, but that will be fixed. Maybe round it a bit on top. I'm not sure where to cut it at the moment. And of course the lip will be shortened later. Yeah, and as you see, it will be kicked in. I cut it here, round the top, so it will fit perfectly here. Here it's almost correct. Slightly more dent, but if I cut what's underneath, I think we will be there. So again, another fit. Need to remove the back part of. There's a lip going in. I've cut it off here now. This must go slightly in, and I need to align this over here so it kind of fits perfectly. Means that this must come slightly out, so it will be perfect there. And see if I can make a nice conversion that it looks kind of like one smooth line, and I will be happy. Process or not, well, for me. So I was almost getting ready to put on the first panel on this side. Add here to go in here, and then I see that in the back, way in the back here, this panel is not good at all, and that is behind the panel I want to put in. So it means that I must change focus, get the exhaust off, lift the car up a bit and start on that. So here we are. So I see that there is kind of a thing here, so I can press it. These must be recreated. I think I need to cut it about here. I'm not sure about this upper part here. I need to be investigated. So I'll probably take out the inner side. But this is just shitty. But I do not want to take it off before I have the panel fit here and up. So it's ready to be welded. Then I can take this off. Then I need to make the outer panel on the outer side.